Hello, my name is Filip Garmash, and I want to represent my application's Unity database. Unity database. So, as I mentioned before, here in Canada, in Toronto, I'm a volleyball coach, and I'm currently working for the Unity Club. And I decided to create like a open source database my for the Unity customers. They can create their own profile, no matter who's gonna be player, coach, or the parent, and to fill in different information. So again, I'm using Firebase as a platform. Also for deploying, I using their backend as a backend. So I'm gonna show you here. We have two types of registration. Again, I will mention again this here I using a routing, also Redux toolkit. Now you see we are on the authentication page. So it's two types of make registration, through email and through the Google. Last time I showed you how we make it with Google, how we made it with Google, but now I want to show you registration through email. So again, I fill in this one after I push sign in. And now it's like we have sent you the link on email. I push OK. Now I check my email. It's gonna be a message, and we receive request. So I need to push this button to sign in. I push this button. Now we redirect back, and now I'm on my main page. It's like a registration. This is a form I need to fill in. I need to fill in all the fields, otherwise I can finish my registration. So we're gonna use my name, surname, telephone number. Here, as you see, I'm using different types of input, the calendar, simple one like telephone, you know what I mean. So here I put my date of birth. Here also in telephone I can type as more and as 10 numbers, you see, and if it's not full, I can't finish it one. So I need to finish it. Also I need to choose the position. Okay, it's gonna be setter. Choose my gender, choose my team, dominant hand. Here, as you see, input type range. No problem what I'm gonna choose. After I can edit that. So also here I need to download my photo. So if I gonna download my photo with a right resolution, it's gonna be okay. But if I choose a wrong resolution, it's gonna show you file resolution is invalid, and you can finish. The button is submit is disabled. So I need to choose probable resolution. After I need to put submit. Now as you see it's player table, and it's one button like my directly team. So the idea of this application is if you are the player, you can register it only for one team, and you will see all the players who belongs to this team. But you can see only players. You can't see the coaches and parents. So but if you are the coach, you can see other coaches, you can see parents, or you are the parent, you can see other coaches and parents, but players only see players. So again, and after it's a table, you can sort by position, by age, by height, by weight, by reach. After, okay, I want to look on other guy. I click on this guy, see the photo, see his information, push back. So here is like other guy with all information, push back, but I only can edit the fields of on my own profile. So if you can see here, but if I dominant hand, if I did not choose, it's again it's required. I can push the button. Okay, it's disabled, so I need to choose the. Okay, I'm gonna be ambidexter. So now after click OK, now I'm ambidexter. Okay, here I can also like order the highlights. It's not gonna be added immediately, but I should make it by myself. So okay, do you want to to add the highlights. I say confirm. Highlights will be here soon. So I go back, and as example I will show you how it's like a full, like I'm gonna look a full profile is my another profile with downloaded photo with highlights. It's here already added highlights, and you can see it here through the side. I go to YouTube or full, or can to watch the full screen, go back. So now I show it to you how you see as a regular user and also as a player. Now we push log out, continue through the Google, and I will use like my page as admin. Now I can see all the teams of my club who was registered. If you're registered like I don't know, like through Bushido 16, you will see other players. Here's a guy, he didn't download the photo still, so, or this guy, he's downloaded his highlights there already, so everything is there. And as an admin I can choose each of profiles, and I can edit the fields of each of profiles, not only, or I want to delete the profile. Okay, I decide this guy is okay, but with this guy is, something wrong. And as you see, the small icons is like I still need to download the photo of this guy, and he's waiting for highlights, so I need to finish the highlight for this guy. So again, the idea, you need to finish it, but okay, I decided I don't need this guy, so I push like delete profile. So now the profile is disappear again. Here when I click on each profile, as you can see, I use search params again, and through the search params I can re-download my page, and if something happened, I got lost electricity, or I close my application, you know what I mean, like this, I'm gonna open this again. So, and something happened, you know what I mean, I go through this one, it's already in, so I'm here, you know what I mean, so I'm here and no problem. Or again, I will click like this, I Control C, I close again, and I want to put in the search bar directly this one. So I'm gonna see this guy immediately. If I think this photo is not okay, I can download it or just go back. So here, this is the idea of this site. And also,